Today, I'm going to teach you how to issue a credit note on Freshbooks. This is a handy feature when you need to provide refunds or account credits to your clients, and it helps keep your financial records organized and professional. First, head over to the Freshbooks website and log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you manage all your invoicing and accounting activities. Look towards the top right part of your dashboard and locate the Create New button. This button is your gateway to creating various documents within Freshbooks, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking Create New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for different document types you can create. From this menu, you'll want to click on Credit. This is the option that will allow you to issue a credit note to your client rather than an invoice or estimate. Once you select Credit, you'll be directed to the credit creation page. This is where you'll build out all the details of your credit note. Start by entering the client's name under the Credit to field. It's important to select the correct client here to ensure the credit is applied to the right account. Next, add a description of what the credit is for. This helps both you and your client understand the reason for the credit when reviewing records later. After that, enter the rate along with the quantity of the credit. These fields work together to calculate the total credit amount being issued. Below the main credit statement, you'll notice sections where you can add notes and terms. This is optional but highly useful if you need to provide additional context or specify any conditions related to the credit. Take a moment to fill these in if necessary. Once you've entered all the relevant information and double-checked that everything looks accurate, click on Send To. This finalizes the credit note and sends it to your client, ensuring they receive notification of the credit applied to their account. And that's it. You've successfully issued a credit note on Freshbooks, helping maintain clear and professional financial communication with your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.